Good afternoon everyone. This video is regarding the Forest Survey report of Rajasthan. It is important for all the Rajasthan government exams, especially RAS Pre and RAS Mains. As we all know, Rajasthan is the largest state of India, but it ranks 15th in the terms of RFA. RFA is the recorded forest area. As per the India State of Forest Survey report, which was published in 2019, which is published biannually, the recorded forest area in Rajasthan is 32,737 square kilometers, which is only 9.57% of state's geographical area and 4.28% of India's forest area. That is, we have only 4.28% of India's forest area in Rajasthan. The digitized boundary of forest cover is 33,072.12 square kilometers. The forest cover in the state is only 4.86% of state's geographical area, which is 16,629.51 square kilometers. These are the area under RFA and outside RFA. RFA, as I have already told you, is the area recorded as forest in government records, while GW is the area which is marked in light green color in the maps of Survey of India. These are the findings from the survey report. The reserved forests are 12,475 square kilometers, but the protected forests cover the largest area, that is 55.64% of the area. The unclassed forests are only 6.25%. The districts with largest forest cover area-wise are Udaipur. It has the maximum area under forest, which is followed by Alwar, Pratapgarh, Bara, Chittorgarh. Questions can be asked directly from this data. Now the districts with largest forest cover with respect to their geographical area. Again, Udaipur, it tops. It has 23.51% of area under forest. It is followed by Pratapgarh, Sirohi, Karauli, Bara. You can be asked to name the top 5 districts, or also to arrange them. The districts with least area under forest cover are Churu, Hanumangarh, Jodhpur, Ganganagar and Dausa. Churu has only 82 square kilometers, which is the least in Rajasthan. Now the districts with least area under forest cover with respect to their geographical area are Jodhpur. It has only 0.47% area under forest. It is followed by Churu, Nagaur, Bikaner and Jaisalmer. With respect to the assessment of 2017, that is the Forest Survey report of 2017, only 57.51 square kilometers area under forest has increased in Rajasthan. The maximum increase is in Barmer, followed by Jaisalmer, while in Jalore and Pratapgarh it has decreased. The maximum decrease is in Jalore. The area under scrub is maximum in Pali. It is 323 square kilometers, while it is minimum in Hanumangarh, which is only 1 square kilometer. Thank you. Have a good day.